to recognize our fantastic, wonderful, beautiful graduating seniors.
Wait, I thought we didn't say the G word.
Seniors.
Yeah. Go ahead.
First and foremost, for any of you who know Cara, you will understand how typical this is. Cara has spent the entire semester requesting a photo montage. And when we went of baby Cara photos of Cara through the ages, projected on a screen behind us, their faces would appear during no rain.
Yeah,
Then we went to RIT on a road trip, and they showed this little photo mosaic of one of their seniors' faces.
Using pictures of the senior in the group that he had taken with the group. So it was
Everyone
his face made of pictures of the group.
So,
So after RIT, Cara wanted one of those.
An AF photo montage. No more baby photos.
So I mean, we couldn't really do that.
It wasn't really an option. We didn't exactly have, access to baby photos of Cara or access to a mosaic maker.
But we kind of
tried
tried to do something like it.
We had access to printers
and
and
white
glue and scissors.
And this is what we had made for you. I hope you like it.
So Cara, you are fantastic. As long as I've been in the group, you're such a fixture, and it's, between your voice and your sass and your hair tossing and how much we can count on you to be upbeat at every rehearsal, and even when we're starting to feel the pressure or starting to feel like we're ready to be done, like we suck. Cara's always there with a smile on her face, tossing her hair, complaining in a happy, upbeat manner. We're really gonna miss you.
We know you're gonna go so far, and we heard the speeches at the Amalgamates concert last night, and they were really way too long.
So we're just gonna wrap it up and say that we love you.
But the general gist is
and we hope you come back. You better come back and visit.
Yeah. Possibly the hardest thing for me to do right now. Okay. Ever since I was in the group, there was a girl at auditions who bopped along to my solo, even though I kind of heard the words, and made me feel so much better about myself. And then I show up in our first rehearsal, and she's there making me feel so welcome. And that spirit has stayed with me through the entire thing. I don't know AF without Eileen O'Hara. I don't want to know it without Eileen O'Hara. I don't want to know it without Eileen O'Hara. And just, you are so strong and so fierce, and you're going to go miles. You're going to go so far. And I want you to know that you will always be with AF, and you will always be with me.
Before we sing our last song, I just wanted to take another opportunity to thank Completely Different Note for coming from UConn. Thank you so much. It means the world to us to look out and see all of you. Just joking. No, really, thank you. Hope you enjoy our last song. Go ahead, you're reading.